Hey y'all, today I'm about to go inside the Dollar Tree and see what they have going on seed-wise. There may be something that I need to get to start for my garden. So I'm gonna go in there and see what I need, and thought y'all might wanna go too. I can't believe it, I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. So many times after I have edited a video and posted it and go back and watch it, I realize I have lipstick on my teeth. Not today though. Yay. Aren't these pretty? It's almost Valentine's Day, and I do love a Ferrero Rocher. I think I'll get it for myself. I am starving. I came up in this place hungry, and I think that is the last thing that I need to do is go somewhere hungry. But I don't know, these Korean barbecue pork jerky and chicken jalapeno bites, they just look so good to me right now. I'm gonna get them. Isn't this cute? This could be a cute little garland for Easter. It has flowers and eggs, Easter eggs, and butterflies. It's just a 6-foot floral egg garland. How cute. Ooh, and look at this. This is a 24-inch stacked egg decor. How cute. Tiger Pops, 20 swirled suckers. Great for classroom exchange, and also great for Patty to have as a sweet treat. Okay, well, I think I will get them. Made especially for me. I love gummy bears. I'm getting them. These little spring decorations are cute. The little bunnies. And then the little eggs. $1.50. Oh, and they have some cute little Easter baskets too. Sweet. How cute are these? Really, how cute are they? I can't tell. They're tied to that cardboard, but they're cute glasses. They have some Miracle-Gro potting mix for $5. Not a bad deal, I don't guess. Let's see, it's 8 quarts. Not the best deal, but not the worst deal. They have those watering cans, which I think we have decided are not that awesome. Liz from Garden Happy brought it to the attention that it's hard to pour out of them, and I have one, and I agree, they are. They're kind of difficult to pour out of. They have some containers. They don't have their seeds out here yet. I mean, they have these little things. These little, it's ready to plant, just add water. They have these packages of wildflower and sunflower blends. But that's not what I'm looking for. Fiddlesticks. But hold on, wait a minute. They have these microgreens. They were right there behind the sunflowers. And I bought a microgreen grower last year and never used it. So I am going to get some of these microgreens and get to work. They have these. It's called a garden tool system. Garden tool handle. Light duty use. $1.50. But I don't know what you're supposed to put on it. It has like an end where you're supposed to screw like the rake end or the hoe end on, but I don't know where those are. So I don't guess I need to get it today. They have some nice gardening gloves, but I have plenty of those. They have some little butterfly garden stakes that are cute. Ooh, they have those clips that are very handy. I think I'm gonna get some. You can use these for lots of different things in the garden. This is cute. It's a little chick, but it is stackable. 24-inch stackable chick decor. 3 pieces. And they just stack right on top of each other. That's cute. And they have a bunny one too. That's cute. Oh, look at these wreaths. Aren't they so cute? That yellow just looks like sunshine. Tinsel wreath. I don't know how much it is. It's lightweight. It's really cute. I like that. Not a toy, for decoration only. But I don't know how much it is. Oh look, these are cute too. It's a 2-tier foldable tray. They have pink and white. I don't think I need them though. In case you did not know, the Dollar Tree is no longer everything's $1. Everything is at least $1.25. Some things are $3, some things are $5, so on and so forth. They did not even have the gardening stuff that I was really looking for, namely seeds. I did get the microgreens, and when I get those going, I'll show y'all. But they did have this. I was starving when I went in there. And this is pretty good. And I also got this, and it's good too. I give both of those a thumbs up.